Hello, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video is how to use Instagram Live to connect with your audience in real time. What is Instagram Live? Instagram Live is a feature that lets you live stream or broadcast video to your Instagram followers in real time. Live videos live next to stories just above the main Instagram feed. When you go live on Instagram, your live feed jumps into front of every story, which means you can grab your followers' attention without worrying about being jumped by the algorithm. How to go live on Instagram in 2 easy steps. Going live on Instagram is simple. Step 1, tap the plus icon on the top right. So this will prompt you to choose what type of content you want to create. So you will go live. Then once you tap live on the here, Instagram automatic pulls up the live option you see in the screen grab below. So here you can add title, you can go public or practice, and you can schedule. You can also add filters if you want. So let's try the practice one. So it will check the connection. This tool gives you the ability to chat with your audience live, shout out your followers by name as they join your stream. You can reply to comments and questions in real time. You can even use their commentary to inspire content for your next stream. So are people asking or commenting on similar themes? Take the popular comments and use it for new content. So I hope that this video helps, and if you have questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below, and if not, don't forget to subscribe and like.